Welcome to Live from the Internet with your host, Ezra Firestone. And featuring The Hot Seat with David Wood. Buying stuff and talking about it. Harry's versus Dollar Shave Club. This just in, bringing you the latest in marketing news. And now, let's get ready to rumble! Because we're live from the Internet.
Hey, I'm Ezra Firestone, and welcome to Live from the Internet, a new online show where we talk about business stuff, personal stuff, and other stuff, and where sometimes we show funny clips like this. We've got a really fun show for you today. We've got e-commerce news where I'm going to give you the scoop on Shopify cutting out third-party checkouts, on the Chinese Amazon sellers and the big problem or big profit therein, and on Casper Mattress losing gobs of money and the D2C community's reaction to it. We've also got a new segment of buying stuff and talking about it, where we break down the marketing strategies of top e-commerce brands. In this episode, we've got two heavyweights, Harry's Razors versus Dollar Shave Club, two undisputed champs of men's grooming going head to head to see who can walk away with the belt. And we've got some other fun stuff. I'll give some e-commerce tips. I'll go on a rant or two. All that and more in this episode of Live from the Internet.